Here I have HUAWEI P Smart, and let me show you how to enter and how to use the project menu. So this is like the service menu in HUAWEI smartphones. So at the very beginning, let's use the home screen, find and select the phone's dialer, and let's enter the following secret code: *##2846579 #*#*. That's it, the project menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. For example, you can choose the background settings, and here you can choose the background debug and make it open. You can change the USB port settings and use the Google mode, manufacturer mode or high speed mode. You may use also the app lock settings if you would like to, and you can set UI theme color. Alright, let's go back. What's more important, you can also check some vanilla information right here, such as the version info. And here you've got such stuff as the manufacturer info, kernel version, bootloader version, CP version. You can also tap the manufacturer data, and here you've got all manufacturer information that you can access. Let's go back. You can also see some other info, for example the serial number. Let's go back, and you can also input the key if you would like to. You can select also the network information query, the third option. So here, for example, you can see the SIM-lock status. The device is processing. In my case, SIM-lock is deactive. Let's tap close. You can also check the vendor country info. So here you can read the country. Sometimes it's more like the region. In my case, it's Europe. Let's tap close. Let's go back. You can try to upgrade the software by using the SD card right here. You can accomplish the hard reset by choosing Restore Factory. Let's be careful with that operation because you will lose all your personal data from your device, so in my case tap cancel. You can also see the battery chart, and here you've got some battery information such as the battery level, battery temperature, and everything is right here. So let's use your back key, and if you would like to quit the project menu and go back to your normal mode, let's use back key one more time. And right now you can use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.